Welcome to this technical guide on the Mekitron Conga 3090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue where the Mekitron Conga 3090 won't start at all. This problem can arise from various underlying faults, such as a dead battery, a damaged power button, or internal circuit issues. If left unfixed, it could lead to further damage or a complete loss of functionality, so it is important to act promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement power button, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure the device is unplugged. To open the Mekitron Conga 3090 safely, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around, taking care not to damage the clips that hold the casing together. Once you have access to the interior, inspect the power button assembly, as this is often the culprit when the device fails to start. You will need to disconnect the battery carefully, ensuring you note where each cable connects. Now, locate the faulty power button. It may appear worn or damaged. Remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Be gentle during this process to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've extracted the faulty power button, replace it with a new one and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery, ensuring the cables are correctly positioned and secure. Before closing the device, double-check that everything is in place and that no tools or materials are left inside. Now, carefully press the casing back together, making sure it clicks into place and all clips are secure. Once assembled, plug the device back in and test if it powers on. If it does, congratulations on a successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure regular maintenance on your device, keep it clean, and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.